Dude, I'm so glad you're here! Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited! You know what we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around, right? Right! So first up, you're gonna want to head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get a wheel. Win enough of them, and bam, you've got a shiny new ride. All right! Yo, check out this ride! Roger Dodger's a classic. Power, speed, and style. I mean, have you seen that engine? It can be all yours for some red wheels. Let's go get some. Bam! First challenge. Hit it. Challenge accepted. I hope you've got your thinking cap on. This is a puzzle trial. Your goal is to fix the track in order to get your car from this launcher to the finish ring. Can you do it? Sure you can. Here are your track pieces. Boom! Get busy building. Just grab a track piece, slide them over, and drop them where you think they fit. Oh yeah! You got this! All right, let's finish up the track. Test your track at any time by pressing the Go button. Need an assist? Call in the Jet. Epic! So if you need a hint, alrighty then. Just smash the Go button and go get your red wheel. Two-finger controls. Here's a loaner until you get your own ride. Pull the launcher all the way back to get your car going. Keep on tapping. Here we go. Keep going, champ. One red wheel coming right up. Challenge cleared. We've got one more in store. Hit it. This is a race challenge. Time to bring your A game. Gotta tap. Two-finger controls. Awesome launch! Show me what you've got. I know, right? That was cool. Challenge cleared. Stellar. Roger Dodger is ready to roll. We'll check out your garage.